Make a Hollywood themed backdrop with me. We're starting off with a 4-foot by 8-foot piece of wood. It's 1/4 inch thick. We're going to drill 3/4 inch holes in the wood all the way around the perimeter. This is where we're going to add our lights. It was right about here where I realized that I bit off way more than I could chew because I had to drill 72 holes. This is what it looked like when it was done. We're going to add our black paint now. There was no oops paint in black this time, so I had to pay full price for this bucket of paint. We're going to roll our first coat of paint on. We're going to let the paint dry between coats until it's fully covered. Now it's right here where I realized I messed up. The first hole that I drilled, I tested it and the lights fit perfectly fine. And then they didn't. So now I have to struggle to get the lights in. One down and 71 more to go. I know we talked about being independent, but this was not a one-person job. Please, if you try this, get help. It took me a while, but I finally got it done. So let's see if this even works. And it does. Let there be light. And this is what I did with it. Until next time, bye.